Hello, Jamaica. As we begin this new school term, I want to warmly welcome all our students, teachers, principals, parents, ancillary staff back to school. I know that for many families, this return is not easy. This new term follows one of the most challenging periods in our nation's recent history. Hurricane Melissa hit us hard, especially those in the West. Many schools and the lives of thousands of students and staff were disrupted. This was the biggest shock to our education system that we have seen in decades. But Jamaica, we are resilient people. From day one, our teams across the ministry, our partners, our school leaders, and our communities came together. We worked around the clock to clean up, repair, restore, and most importantly, make sure our students and stakeholders can return to safe learning spaces as quickly as possible. I thank our boards, our principals, our teaching and ancillary staff for their excellent leadership at the school level. Your creativity and your heart have gotten us to this point. And today, I'm so proud to say that many schools across Jamaica will be back in session. Some schools will continue with temporary arrangements while major repairs continue. Some will share spaces with our innovative host schools, and others will use blended approaches. And for a little while longer, learning will continue in these modalities, but no child will have their academic future put at risk because of these challenges that are beyond their control. Beyond temporary solutions, I want everyone to know that we're building back stronger. We're not just restoring what was damaged. How could we do that? We must use this disaster to rethink, redesign, and rebuild an education system that is safer, smarter, and more resilient for the future. The level of damage we experienced just a few months ago should not be experienced again. I cannot wait to see the bright faces of our students back in teaching and learning spaces. Parents, please continue to encourage them. Your support and guidance plays an important role in your child's life. With you behind them, they can do amazing things. So Jamaica, let us step into this new term with hope and our unstoppable Jamaican spirit. Welcome back to school. Join us in rebuilding a stronger, more resilient education system for all. And of course, may God continue to guide and protect all our children and all our educational institutions in this country.